Hi, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2015 Isuzu NPR gas. It's stock number 41852 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we're going to go over a few things we do in purchasing our pre-owned trucks. These trucks come from our customer trade-ins or from our leasing department. We go through them, weed out the trucks we don't want, wholesale those, keeping only the best trucks for our customers to purchase. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, the bodies, tires, brakes, lift gates. Any discrepancies we find, we run them through our medium-duty shop and through our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, test drive the truck, make sure it's ready to go, do a cleanup, and take pictures and a video to put on our website for our customers to purchase. As I said, this is a 2015 Isuzu NPR gas. It's got the 6-liter gas, 6-speed automatic transmission. And on top of the 150-point check, we've also done the engine oil filter, fuel filter, and air filter. This truck is pre-qualified for the Isuzu Gold Star extended warranty, so it's been through that check also. So this truck is ready to go with factory extended warranty available for it, so you can have a good peace of mind about purchasing it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. This is an Isuzu low cab Ford, so it's very easy to get in and out of. We've got a captain's chair for the driver. We've got a 2-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in the truck. And with this being a cab over, it's very easy to drive. You don't have the hood, so you got great far off visibility and close-up visibility about 8 foot to the front. And it also provides a smaller footprint than a conventional truck with the hood, so it's very maneuverable. We've got the air conditioner. This thing's got a backup camera. And as we said, since this is a gas truck, it's very easy to drive. You guys can pretty much start this thing up, put it in drive, and take off. And then look around on this truck. It is a 2015 year model, but this thing cleaned up really nice. So it's nice, clean, dependable, safe, clean truck for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the trucks. A lot of pre-owned trucks you see, the corner caps are knocked out, the side radiuses are beat up, the bodies are pretty well beat up. This truck's in really good shape. It's got a 14-foot Smyrna Cargo aluminum van body on it. We've got good tires on it, mud flaps. This truck's pretty unique. We have taken the lift gate off this truck and we've put a 2-foot landscape ramp set on this, so you can run your mowers, your zero turns, whatever equipment your company uses to service lawns, you can load it in there. I did leave the one ramp up. This is a split ramp system. You can have both ramps down or either or ramp down, so if you don't have to have both of them. It's got the 2-foot ramp section on the back, so it doesn't hang out the back of the body as far. As we said, this is a 14-foot. It's 84 tall. It's 96 wide. It's got a really nice laminated hardwood floor in it. It's got the slats in the side and the scuff to keep stuff from going out and hitting the aluminum body. Aluminum roof. It's got a nice LED dome light and the roll-up rear door, so you can put all your equipment in here, pull the door down and lock it, and then put your ramps up so it is safe and secure. Here at Industrial Power, most of our customers just think they want to come in and buy a white box truck. By looking at this, we have a lot more than just plain white box trucks. This landscape truck, even though it looks really nice, we can take and wrap the body and the cab if you'd like to with your name, your graphics, your designs, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're driving down the road. As we say, we got a really nice 2015 Isuzu NPR gas. It's got it's been qualified for the Isuzu Gold Star factory extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com. You can go to our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting new product on pretty much every day. If you'll stick with us for a minute, we're going to tilt the cab, start the truck up and give you a little closer, intimate look of the truck. And as always, we appreciate your time.